If you're new to dropshipping, let me guess how this started for you. You watched a few videos, you heard that it's low risk, you opened Shopify, and then everything got confusing very fast. Too many products, too many suppliers, out of stock issues, orders breaking, margins disappearing. Most beginners don't fail because dropshipping is dead. They fail because the systems are broken. So in this video, I'm going to do something simple. I'm going to walk you through the most common problems new dropshippers face and then show you popular Doba features that directly solve those problems. No hype, no fluff, just practical. Let's get into it. An often underrated aspect of selecting a suitable dropshipping platform is integration. What this simply means is how well can that platform integrate to the store or stores that you use within your business. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm within my Doba back office here, and you can see the number of platforms that Doba is able to integrate with. You've got Shopify, you've got eBay, TikTok Shop, Temu, Amazon, Walmart, BigCommerce, and a bunch of different ones. These are some of the more recognized names when it comes to e-commerce worldwide. And you have to really ask yourself during those early stages, the platform that you're using, how well can it integrate onto these platforms here? And not just that, how efficiently does it do it? How quickly can it do that? Now, I have done a demonstration video where I have connected my Doba to my Shopify in literally a couple of minutes. I will link it in the description, but that speed and that efficiency could be the reason why you're hitting the ground running or not, should there be lack thereof. AI is a huge subject in 2026, and it is going to continue expanding in years to come as it grows more and more, especially within e-commerce. How well does the current platform that you use take advantage of the opportunities being provided by AI? Within Doba, they've got the AI store builder. This gets you ready to sell in minutes. It allows you to build a store. Let me show you what I mean exactly. If you select Shopify, for example, which I have, I'm not going to go through the process, but just to show you at a high level, it then takes you onto these different categories here that you can select: home, garden, and tool. I'll go with that one. You can then pick a theme color. This is going to be for your Shopify store. And if you just select a banner based on the theme color that you have selected, and from there, if you go next, you will then have an option to create a Shopify store. Oh, there we go. Next is lit up. This takes you onto Shopify. You can register. You can use the deal that I've linked in the description and the pinned comment where you can get Shopify 3 days free and then $1 a month for the first 3 months. Building stores in dropshipping is not enough. You need to be able to select products quickly so you can test quickly. And this ties back into Product Picker, which allows you to do basically niche-based product discovery using real data, as it says there, big data, instant tailored product results as well. This is based on what's working currently. If I click on that, you will see what I mean. You get taken onto this page where you will chat with their chatbot here, tell it exactly what your needs are, what type of product that you're looking for based on what category, and it will list those options and those products for you there. For example, I could say healthcare, and it's going to load up some additional information here. These are the different categories, and I can continue chatting with it whilst I'm selecting the products that I am going to be going with. You can go much deeper than that, but for the sake of this video, I just wanted to give you a high level idea of what this looks like. But this next one is absolutely going to crush it. The Doba team also take things a step further, and they pre-select products based on different marketplaces that are crushing it right now. And this is all based on real data of what people are buying and ordering from these suppliers as observed by the Doba platform. For example, you've got TikTok Shop selection. So if you're a seller and you sell your products on TikTok Shop, what's working on there right now? I'm just going to click on it and you can see what products are absolutely crushing it. Again, making it 100 times easier for you to make that initial decision on what products you are going to go with. We can see a bunch of different categories and products here. And again, knowing that this is towards that particular marketplace, it just makes it so much easier for you to make that decision. And on the subject of finding profitable products, I have to shout out the Doba Video Hub. Here's how it looks. This is a hub where you can not only get some advice on what products are working for that particular period based on real people, real influencers, but you can also get advice on the actual product strategies that they use to find winning products and what's currently working right now. There's different categories. There's supplier showcases. You can select by by category. What you want to see here, your home and garden, beauty and health, outdoor, etc., and a bunch of other options you can look at. So not only do they help you set up the actual store, but they also help you continue to maintain and look at what's working right now based on real data and based on all these bits of information right here. Also worth mentioning for affiliates that work with Doba, they are currently running this 30-day referral sprint where, as mentioned, they can unlock up to $200 in extra bonuses for your referrals between these different dates. That may be worth checking out if you are an affiliate. The supplier journey within dropshipping can be a source of endless headaches, but you've also got an option here where you can find different suppliers. You can look at the list of suppliers based on different data points. Now, how quickly suppliers are able to ship products out to your customers in most cases can be the life or death of your business. So let's have a look at this. You've got the supplier name, you've got the item count for the products that they do, fulfillment, processing time, and so forth. There's also the Doba Tutorial Center. This focuses on different aspects of how-to solutions when it comes to drop shipping. It works you through getting started, for example, helping you connect your dropshipping store onto these various different platforms, amongst other things. You can see we've got other options at the bottom here as well on popular questions that are being asked by other new people within the dropshipping community. And of course, if you click on those options, Doba will help you get those answered. I'm not going to go too in-depth on that. Bunch of other essential features that we could go into in-depth, but this would be a 2-hour-long video. So instead, in a rapid-fire format, I'm going to list the questions that you have as a newcomer and how Doba addresses those concerns. I don't know what to sell. Doba gives you access to a massive centralized product catalog from vetted suppliers. Instead of bouncing between websites, everything lives in one dashboard. You can filter by category, price, supplier, shipping location. That alone removes decision paralysis and helps beginners move faster. What if the supplier is trash? Doba doesn't let just anyone list products. Suppliers are pre-screened, which dramatically lowers the risk of scam suppliers, fake inventory, broken fulfillment. For beginners, this is huge because you don't yet know how to spot red flags. I keep selling out of stock products. Doba automatically updates stock levels and product availability. When something goes out of stock, your store reflects that without you manually checking. Less refunds, less angry emails, more peace of mind. Listing products takes forever. Writing descriptions, uploading images, creating variants. This is where beginners burn out. With Doba, you can push products directly into Shopify and other platforms. You can import images, descriptions, and variants automatically. What used to take 30 minutes per product now takes 30 seconds. My prices are all over the place. Doba lets you set pricing rules, markups, margin filters, so instead of guessing, you're working with structure. This is how you protect profitability long term. Order fulfillment is a nightmare. Orders from your store sync directly into Doba. You can confirm orders, trigger fulfillment, track shipments, all from one place. Customers keep asking where their order is. Doba syncs tracking numbers, shipping updates back to your store. That reduces support load and improves customer trust automatically. Managing multiple products is chaos. You can update prices in batches, edit descriptions at scale, manage listings efficiently. This is essential once your store grows beyond the beginning phase. I feel like I'm doing everything blind. Doba includes tutorials, guides, support resources, etc. It's not just tools, it's direction, which beginners desperately need. What if this doesn't work? The fear is real. No one wants to commit blindly. Doba allows you to test the platform, explore features, and validate workflows before going all in. If you would like to try it out, it is in the description and in the pinned comment